hate to have to tell you this, but there are now multiple outbreaks of foodborne illness spreading across the country. Yesterday, we told you about the Salmonella outbreak tied to jalapeños, including ones eaten at Chipotle. Well, the CDC says it's sickened more than 300 people in 27 states. And all of this is happening while officials still do not have a handle on the cyclospora outbreak linked to iceberg lettuce. That now includes cases in 15 states. CBS News correspondent Shanelle Kaul is tracking all of this and joins us now with more. It's so uncomfortable, Shanelle, but what is the latest? Folks need to know this. Good morning. What do we know?
It is really important, as you mentioned, Errol. Good morning. So the CDC is saying those jalapenos came from Mexico and they were served at Chipotle, Qdoba, and other restaurants. Federal officials say they're working now to determine where else the jalapenos have been distributed.
A kitchen staple is now at the center of a multi-state salmonella outbreak.
It makes me feel a little nervous.
The FDA says bacteria-contaminated jalapenos were sold to restaurant chains like Chipotle and Qdoba. Both restaurants have now stopped serving the affected peppers. Chipotle says it's replaced them with product from different growers. Both chains say they're cooperating with public health authorities. The CDC is reporting 27 states have salmonella cases related to the peppers. Minnesota and Colorado topping the list with over 100. Officials say more than 300 people have been infected and 36 hospitalized.
Any type of foodborne illness really begins on the farm level and largely through the water supply. The problem already has existed when the crop was harvested.
Health officials say they've traced the peppers to a grower in Mexico. And now the FDA is trying to figure out if the recalled jalapenos went to grocery stores too. This latest outbreak comes as officials monitor the cyclospora outbreak on shredded iceberg lettuce that sickened hundreds, killed 2 people, and has now spread to 15 states.
When you have salmonella on the one hand and cyclosporiasis on the other, it's serious. What's important is that we're finally sitting up and saying, what can we do to understand why it's happening, figure out the source of the problem so that it doesn't happen as aggressively.
And look, in the middle of these outbreaks, the Senate also confirmed Dr. Erica Schwartz as the new director of the CDC yesterday. Her background, by the way, includes medical and law degrees. The agency has lost about a quarter of its workforce due to layoffs and resignations since the beginning of last year. Errol?
All right, Shanelle, thank you very much.